Solana is right now breaking out of the supply zone and the chance for a massive breakout is there. In this video I will talk about Solana and share my price prediction with the next potential price targets. And either if you're heavily invested in Solana or at the sideline right now, I will tell you potential buy areas to get into a potential long trade. So let's go straight into the content. So as you can see, Solana is right now breaking out of the supply zone. This supply zone where we saw the last high which caused this bearish move, and as we first tapped into the supply zone we saw this rejection to the downside, but after that we saw this move to the upside again. We first broke this last high right here to the upside with these candles, and with this daily candle right now we are seeing the first break out of the supply zone, and if the candle closes above this last high and supply zone, then the chance is high that we could see another explosion for Solana. And right now Solana is looking very bullish, because after this longer consolidation in this levels, we then saw this massive bullish breakout to the upside, and right now we are also breaking out of this weekly supply zone. So if we find acceptance over this high, the chance is high that we could see much higher prices in the near future. And the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $204, because after we built this high we saw this massive run to the downside. And also if you're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we have the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at this high right here. So this is the next really interesting price area, but the chance that we could see a reaction at this zone is very high. And if we're also breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance over here, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high. And I think Solana is a great project and the chance that we could see even higher prices is there. But as I said, this is the next really interesting price target. But if we want to see this bullish explosion, it's really important that we see a daily close over this supply zone, and in the best case that we see a weekly body close also over this supply zone. So I'm really bullish on Solana for the near future. So we talked about potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Solana. And as I said, I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices just from this high. So if you're not invested in Solana, I think this kind of prices are already a great chance, because we are seeing the bullish breakout, and it's always important to have a confirmation. And if we see a bullish acceptance over this highs, then the chance is high that we could see much higher prices. Or of course, if we are seeing the breakout and retesting this last high, then I think there's also a great chance to get into a potential long trade on Solana. But if we're seeing lower prices again, then I would first have a look at this order block, because as you can see, this order block was the start of this push to the upside. We broke this last high and the supply zone. And if we also have a look at the VRVP, you can see that we have a lot of volume in this area. So if we come back to this zone, the chance that we continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, I think this is a great potential long area. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would also have a look at this demand zone, because this low is a confirmed higher low because we caused this move to the upside. And if we come back into this zone, the chance that we also could see a bullish reaction is there. So I think these two areas are great technical areas to get into a potential long trade. But as I said, the chance that we could also directly go to the upside and see even higher prices is also there. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Solana, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I'm really bullish on Solana. We are seeing right now this break out of the supply zone for the first time on the weekly chart. And if we see a daily body close over this highs and especially a weekly body close, then I think the chance is extremely high that we could see even higher prices. And the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $204. And just from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 40% for Solana, which is really nice. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.